Very much, Mr. Speaker, and I would like to thank the chairlady for the support. It is very much appreciated. And now, Mr. Speaker, I yield myself as much time as I may consume.
The gentlelady is recognized.
Thank you. Mr. Speaker, I rise in support of H-Con Res 100, which authorizes the use of the Capitol Rotunda to commemorate the 50th anniversary of the signing of the Civil Rights Act of 1964. The passing of the bill that became the Civil Rights Act of '64 was a critical turning point in the history of this nation, prohibiting all forms of discrimination on the basis of race, color, religion, sex, or national origin. This significant law also ensured that the promise of equal protection under the law would be true for all Americans. Millions of Americans faced violent opposition to ensure that the Civil Rights Act was brought before members of the House and the Senate for a vote. During what was one of the most turbulent times in this nation, a time when discrimination was commonplace and segregation was an accepted norm, passing this law was a true bipartisan effort with members of both parties overcoming their differences to do what was best for this nation. If passed, H-Con Res 100 would allow the use of the Capitol Rotunda to recognize the courageous efforts made by former members of this House to pass the landmark Civil Rights Act of 1964, and will honor civil rights and community leaders who dedicated their lives to see this bill become a reality and signed into law by the President of the United States, President Lyndon B. Johnson. I urge all members to support H-Con Res 100, and I reserve the balance of my time.